Everyone, welcome to my channel Key to Employability. Today we are going to resume my session with day 6. Let's start. So before we go to day 6, we are going to discuss what we have done in our last session, day 5. Day 5 we have checked some reports like trial balance and balance sheet. How to check the trial balance and how to check the balance sheets. So after that we have also discussed how to allocate the opening balances of debtors, creditors, and how to check the report after allocating the opening balances of debtors, creditors, like this. So the today's topics are, today we are going to discuss about vouchers. There are two kinds of vouchers, like accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. So in the accounting vouchers there are many vouchers. So today we are going to only discuss about the contra vouchers with some documents like this. Okay, so let me come to that part. So this is a PDF file. You'll be getting this PDF file into the description box. You can download for your practice. So voucher entry. So what do you mean by vouchers? Vouchers are, there are two kinds of vouchers, accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. Vouchers means record all the transactions, that is called vouchers. Accounting vouchers only records the accounting transaction, and inventory vouchers only records the stocks. So primarily we will be discussing contra vouchers, payment voucher, receipt vouchers and journal vouchers. All the shortcuts are given here. So first we will be discussing about the contra voucher, today's topic. Contra voucher, why we will be passing all the entries relating contra voucher through contra vouchers. So it helps to pass the transaction relating to, suppose a transaction relating to bank or cash bank, bank. So that is, these are the transactions to be passed from the contra voucher. Shortcut key is F4. I have pointed out a question here. Suppose 1/4/2016 company transferred 15,000 cash from cash to petty cash to meet the petty cash expenses. So first of all we need to do the journal entry. So what should be the journal entry? Petty cash account debit to cash account, being cash transfer to petty cash. So how to do? Through tally. So go to tally. First we need to, before we go to tally, we need to understand, before passing this voucher entry, we need to create two ledgers. One is petty cash, another one is cash ledger. So cash ledger we have already built, and we need to build petty cash ledger. So how to build the petty cash ledger? So let me come to the tally. So accounting master, ledger, we need to create from here as we have created. So I am going to alter, so petty cash. So we need to write here petty cash, under is cash in hand. So now no balances, save it. After saving, now we need to pass the entry. So how to pass the entry? So come to this part, transactions part. There are two kinds of vouchers as we have already discussed. So you need to go to the accounting voucher. As you will go to the accounting voucher, always you will come to the payment voucher, right? And all the shortcuts will be giving here, right? So now we need to go to the contra voucher. Press F4 from the keyboard or click here. So I am going to press F4. Now I need to change the date by press F2. So I am putting 1/4/2016. So credit, so we are transferring cash from cash to petty cash. So credit should be, let me see this voucher means journal entry again, petty cash to cash. So credit should be cash account, it is 15,000, and debit should be petty cash. Okay, now narration, being cash transferred to petty cash. So after passing, you need to accept this entry. After accepting this entry, we need to see these records, means reports. So how to check the report? We need to check the two reports, because the two ledgers we are hitting this amount. One is cash ledger and another one is petty cash ledger. So how to check this ledger account? Go to display, then accounts book. Otherwise you can do press D from this gateway of tally, then A from accounts book, then C for cash. Then we need to press cash. As you can see, the opening balance of cash is 70,000. 15,000 is credited on the month of, for the month of April. Why? Enter. So for the petty cash purpose, 15,000 is credited. So it is the cash ledger, and 55,000 is the closing balance. Opening balance it was 70,000, and right now it is 15,000 credited. So right now the closing balance is 55,000. Hope you have understood. Now we need to come to the press escape, escape, escape. Now come to the part of petty cash. Petty cash is 15,000 debited. So for the month of April, so it is the petty cash ledger. So cash has been deposited to the petty cash 15,000. So petty cash closing balance is current balance, and the total balance is 15,000. So two reports we have checked. Now another entry. So this is the reporting part. We have already checked it. You can download this. Now actually in the practical field you will have this kind of document. I have received this kind of document. This is the check, right? And this is the check number, and here it is written self. It means our company has withdrawn 12,000 from this bank for the official use. So what should be the journal entry? Journal entry should be like this. Journal entry should be like this. It is cash account debit to Demo Bank Limited. So it is also relating to cash bank. So it should be also passed from the contra voucher. So go to the tally again, press V for voucher, contra voucher. So I am putting here Demo Bank. So let me alter the Demo Bank. How to alter Demo Bank? From the voucher part, place Control Enter. Then let me show you one thing. Alter checkbooks. I have applied for the checks. Make yes this option. So I have created some check number. So check number should be 6 digits. So it is starting from 000001, and 50 checks I have applied for, and we have applied. Now we have saved, right? So this is how we can applying for the check. So Demo Bank. So let me check the amount. It is 12,000. 12,000 I am transferring to cash. So as we have applied for this check, number will be automatically come, instrument number. It is the check number. As you can see the check number here 00001. So it is the check number. So already it has come. Now the instrument date, in which date check was drawn. In the which date check was drawn? Check was drawn in 1/4/2026. So it is 1/4/2016. Key to employability, it is cash. Now you can write the narration being cash withdrawn from bank. So now accept. Again I need to check. This report. It is hitting two areas, that is bank account will be affecting and cash account will be affecting, right? So let me check the bank account first. Display, then accounts book, then cash bank book. Then let me check the cash first. So it is first of all in cash 70,000 was opening balance, and let me and it is shown here 12,000 is debited and 15,000 was credited for the month of April. So go to the details, press enter. So press enter for the detailing. So 15,000 for petty cash and it has gone, and 12,000 it has come to the cash. So now the current balance is 60, closing balance is 67,000. 15,000 credited and 12,000 is debited, right? So the cash balance means cash ledger is clear. Now let me come to the part of bank ledger, Demo Bank. First of all 2 lakhs was credit balance, debit balance. Now 12,000 was credited in the for the month of April. Why? 12,000 was credited. This is the Demo Bank ledger, and 1,88,000 it is closing balance, as the opening balance was 2 lakhs and 12,000 was deducted, as we have withdrawn 12,000 from the bank, that's why it is reflecting the closing balance 1,88,000. So this is how we can pass the contra voucher. So let me check again. So this is the procedure we are going to, all the procedure is given here, and the assessment is given here. You can download this for your self assessment. Okay, so now hope you have understood my session. If there is any queries, please ask me through the comment box. You must comment how if there is any necessity for you. If you are not understanding any part, you can comment me, I'll be answering. Thank you for watching this video.